I'm not completely happy with the designs I made. Hey, my name is Felicia and I'm starting my own 3D printing business from scratch. And this is day one. Here's the thing. Most of the objects I made are good enough solutions. Nothing I would confidently sell. So today's goal is to find my first real product. I landed on this. A coaster for salt and pepper grinders that collects all the dust and crumbs so your table stays clean. The old one has these middle parts that kinda destroys the aesthetic, so let's fix that. Now it's still easy to remove the inner parts, but in a more elegant way. Would you buy something like this?